The Takarjala Tipra Motha, YTF and TWF has organized a protest rally because of the excessive force of police for initiating lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons to the TISF protester who went to submit the deputation peacefully on the demands for implementing Kokborok Roman script. The ex-MLA Rajeshwar Debarma and Block Secretary of TWF Biraja Debarma were present at the rally. TISF protesters who went to submit the deputation peacefully for the implementation of Kokborok Roman script were resorted a lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons by the police. 15 TISF students were severely injured at the incident. All the injured students were sent to Agartala GB Hospital. The Takarjala Tipra Motha, YTF and TWF has organized a protest rally because of the excessive force of police for initiating lathi charge, tear gas and water cannons to the TISF protester who went to submit the deputation peacefully on the demands for implementing Kokborok Roman script. The ex-MLA Rajeshwar Debarma and Block Secretary of TWF Biraja Debarma and other executives of Tipra Motha YTF were present at the rally.
Selling Machisa incident is party monoson, Nuka, Castan Borok Nuka, Sunchar Hayun Borok Nuka. They basically led government, Tripura Dr. Manik Saha, the government. We are seeing student community movement. TISF or Simano, Black popular students wings of Tipra Motha. Tabu Kaisa, one of the leading student organization of the state. TISF. We are democratically peaceful movement collected towards the Rasbhavan. Kaisa memorandum summit Khelen Bagina. Memorandum of Kaisa point no specifically mentioned Hajat Tongoje, Tipra Hastini Tipra Sharo, Boni is a Kokborok Kokno develop Khelen Bagina, Boni Kokborok no, Sinimani Kokno, Foreigner Bagina, Boro Roman scheme ni Khorang Tisamani. O Khorang Tisaman Abo Katalia, Miani Khorang ya, Tinini Khorang ya, O Khorang. Tini by Prai, Ponchas Borsor Nibishing Kanaje, or Khorang Tisamani. Town Bagi Roman script Pasa, Sinico Borokni, Sitani, Puntani, develop Fatino, to be scientifically. Belay Kano, Abo, Bothok Jack, Abone Bagini globally Bobo, Belay important stone. The Sinico Borokni, Siatani, Azagawa, Kubun script Sitan, Borok to Jabongo, Borok Nachugabongo. Very no issue one should know, Tipra Hasteni, again government Kanibus Khorang Tisaga, Tabuni BJP government Kanibus Khorang Tisauton. Again government of Kokborok Foreign Baginai, Tim Timbar, 3 times commission got on like a Kokborok Baginai. Also go Boroni report on Haka, Boroni mandate, Boroni report Haka, last Kobitro Sorkane, the Basa Commission, 3-man commission, Orobo report Haka, Harman Tain Haka, Zenel Popular Tain Haka, Student Thain Haka, intellectual Thain Haka, politician Thain Haka, Nahari Nainu Kaze, Pobitro Sorka, Basa Commission, Roman script and all Borok Sanero, Boni Mani Kokno development Bagina, Nayo, or Roman script by Kaleke Kokborok Blake, development. Tabu crossed on Kautagawa, Tabun is a Hasini Hapa, which I IPP led government, Dr. Manik Sahabai J. Tabung is a teacher government Kaniwashing ya Khorang Tishauni Thanga democracy or democratic movement peaceful manner.
The rally was started from Takarjala Chomuni till Takarjala Market on that day. Reported by Ashok from Takarjala, Chini Khorang.